The story started when I was still a little boy. I worked really hard on my feeder. And hoped to meet with my feathered friends. I practiced my sketching skills every night to learn about all the different types. Even now, I'm still fascinated by my feathered friends. And I can even take their photos for them too. Well, maybe next time. But then one day, this package showed up. They call it BirdieCamera. It sounds like a nice gift to help my son learn about birds. As for myself, I am enjoying BirdieCamera every day.